Hey guys, today we are taking the DJI FPV out for mountain river dive and randomly getting attacked by a snowball. Watch out for that and let me know in the comment section below where that is and what you think how that happened. Let's roll the intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a mountain river cruise with the DJI FPV and getting attacked by a snowball quite randomly. I was very surprised to see that, but reviewing the video I think I found how that happened, and you can leave in the comment section below what your theories are, what that is. So before making a few more videos about the DJI FPV, how to hand catch it without cutting in your fingers and some other functionality, we will go back to do other videos about technology. Hang in there for a little bit if you're not a DJI FPV flyer. Enjoy the scenery and enjoy the flight, guys.
Asked the question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we've taken. Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah, try again. Push the pedal to the pavement. always dreaming that we'd make it.
And here our flight comes to an end. How did you like it and what do you want to see next? What kind of content will you enjoy from now on going forward? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching, and as always, stay safe, have a great rest of the day, and see you in the next one.